Hi. For those of you who have traveled to Uyghur China, you've undoubtedly experienced Uyghur bread. And these are wood fire or coal fire breads that have onion toppings or something savory on the top. Really, really, really delicious flatbreads, usually stuck to the walls of the oven, and in large shapes that can be used as plates in some cases. I found a way to hack this in a US oven. Check this out. So I made one of these today. It's concave in shape. This is an onion style bazaar naan that you would find in Xinjiang. It's not perfect by any means. Uyghur naan is superior for sure, but I'm a novice cook here, and I'm trying things out. I found a little hack. If you have a cast iron device, a baking steel works really well, but for this size, I found this thing on Amazon. This is meant for solo outdoor stove, like the solo stove. It's a wok. It's like 14 or 15 inches wide, but you can get this thing ripping hot in your oven, and then you can put a naan on top of it and then broil it. So you get that thing really, really hot, take the thing out, insert the naan on top, and then put it back in under the broiler, and you can make something very much like a Uyghur style naan. So I encourage you to try it. Uyghur bazaar style naan.